Wow! What a pull! First pack. Oh my god. If you can't see that, that's Marion Hossa. We're gonna put him up first. It's 70. Holy. 70, 77k, I guess, around. Trick the system. What that action here for 50? Sendo. I guess let's go from the back. Let's go. Ah, 2 rares, whatever. Whoa, 3 rares. Let's just select. Yeah. Quick sell the rest. Cool. Thought I was gonna regret this. Guess let's open this. Ah, damn it. This. Quick sell. Psych. Oh no. Quick sell pack. Let's try the first one. Damn it, man. Take this, not that, this. Verbata. Oh my god! What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, no, you know what? I actually like Carey Price. So, you know what? He's gonna be on my team. Oh my god. Can't believe I did a pack opening and I got quick stuff. Oh my god. This pack opening is the best. Salmon, is he good? Oh, not bad. He actually goes for something. Alright, this pack opening was a success. Yeah, it's 1,750. Confirm. Let's go with this one. Oh, I thought that was a 90. I was gonna, like, literally. Last pack. Nathan McKinnon. Perfect. End it off. So that will be the end of the pack and opening. And see ya. Doing a 89 giveaway soon.